Text behind you, custom looking transitions, and the fix for footage that's the wrong size. 3 CapCut features you'll actually use, and all of them are easier than you think. I'm Agnes, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. So this first one is a classic, and it still gets people every time. Add your clip to the timeline, hold Option and drag your clip to duplicate it. Add the text layer, animate it however you like. Drag your text layer between your 2 clips. Highlight your top layer, go to the video section, remove background and select Auto Remove. That will remove your subject from the background. Let it process, and just like that, all the text is behind you. Honestly, this one never gets old. It looks so much more intentional than plain text over a clip, and it takes barely any extra time once you know the layer order. The key is that the text sits between the 2 clips, not above them. That's where people usually get it wrong. Keep that in mind. Right, this next one is something I love because it looks polished, but it's actually really simple. And if you grab our overlays, this becomes incredibly quick to do. Add 2 clips to the timeline, add your overlay and trim it so it sits between the 2 clips, maximum 10 frames each side. Go to blend mode and set it to color dodge for a bright flash or screen for a cleaner glow. You can also test hard light or brighten depending on the overlay. Play around, it's worth it. And if you want to take it further, place your playhead exactly between your 2 clips, select your overlay, go to video, reduce opacity to around 75 to 80% and add the keyframe. Move to the first frame and set the opacity to 0. Then go to the last frame and again set it to 0. This creates a nice flash effect. If you want it slower, make the overlay a bit longer and move your keyframes further apart, or shorten it and move the keyframes closer together for a faster move. The blend mode is what makes this work. Different overlays respond differently depending on how light or dark they are. So try a few and trust your eye. If you want ready-made overlays that are built for exactly this kind of edit, ours are linked in the description. They are part of our full asset pack and they drop straight into your timeline. Clean, cinematic, done. This last one has saved me more time than I can count. If you've ever had footage that's the wrong size, or just doesn't fill the frame, this is the fix. Add your clip to the timeline. As you can see, this shot is too small and doesn't fill the frame properly. So let's use AI to expand it. On the video, basic, scroll down to AI expand, choose the aspect ratio to 16:9, and add your prompt if you want to be more specific with the details. Be aware that the character count is limited and this is a pro feature, so credits will be used. Hit generate. It will generate a few images for you to choose from. But bear in mind that CapCut's AI features have their limitations and it may not generate the exact shot you are using, but will be close enough. So pick one and hit apply. The results aren't always perfect, I'll be honest, but they are genuinely useful, especially when you're working with content that wasn't shot for the format you're editing in. It fills the gap well enough that most people watching would never notice, and that's really all you need. If this helped, hit subscribe because we post 2 CapCut tutorials every single week. And if you want to level up your editing toolkit, check out our full creator asset pack in the description. Everything in there is built for exactly the kind of edits we cover on this channel. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.